Hey everybody, Kelly here with Mobile Speed Screens. Wanted to give you a quick tutorial regarding our retractable screen doors. In this case, it's for a double swinging door, French door as we call them. Okay, I wanted to start off by saying these are a very clean way to screen your double door entry. We can do them for single doors and double doors. In this case, double door, very simple. Pull it out, drop the pin, push the pin in and out. That will lock the door in place. Now you have your functional side. Okay, really easy, back and forth. It is wound up on a tension spring, so if you let go, the door is gonna go. All right. It is also, we install what we call RollAway. It's the RollAway brand, which has a push button latch rather than a magnet latch. If you come inside, you will see that there is a little lever for a locking function. Okay, right in here. If you'll step inside here, you'll see that this actually locks the screen door once you shut it. All right. A couple things about these doors is they both function. All right, so you have this full opening if you like. You don't have anything in the center. If you want to do a fixed side, again, this is how you do it. You drop the pins, it'll hold it in place. They do retract if somebody does walk into them. You will just open the door slowly and it fixes itself. Okay. With these retractable doors, we give a 1-year service warranty. It is very simple to maintain or do the maintenance yourself. Very important. Couple things here is that you want to clean these tracks. Okay, you have a bottom track here, which we can match to your threshold color. You have a top track up here. If you'll notice, if you look closely, you'll see these little plastic wheels. Okay, that is what holds on to the track. All you need to do every once in a while is you will take a WD-40, it's a dry lubricant, and you will spray these little wheels after, very important, after you clean this track with the rag. Sometimes with dogs, with pets, any pets, or sandy locations, beach area, windy areas, places with bushes like this, a lot of the sticks, the dust, the dirt, the leaves, they like to build up on the tracks. It's very important that you clean the track. Get all of that stuff, all of the gunk out of the track, therefore it will not roll back into the housing unit. I think that's it. It's not very difficult to use these doors, as you'll see. It's a very clean look. We do, I think we have 6 different colors to choose from. And we are always here for questions if you need us. Thanks again. Kelly with Mobile Speed Screens.